Hey guys, and welcome back. So right here we have a PurePlus 5 micron whole house sediment and carbon water filter replacement cartridges. These work for the 10 inches by 4.5 inches sediment filter cartridge replacements. Alright, so right here we have the PurePlus. These are the 5 micron. These works with the 10 inches by 4.5 inches. This offers food grade material that meets all standards. It is BPA free certified. The filter reduces up to 99% of chlorine, sand, rust, and sediment color. So you can see right here, this is a pack of 3. And then you have these little rubber stoppers at the top. So when you put this inside your filter container, it will help seal in the water. So if your water source is well water or you really have bad water, this is a great product to have. The whole house water filter is designed with a density of 3 BP layers of coconut shell activated carbon layer to remove most contaminants and deliver great fresh water. The multi-layer dense can capture impurities targeted at 30% longer life. This filter can be used up to 30,000 gallons depending on your water quality. The suggestions on this one is to replace every 3 to 6 months. So they do have other filters that they offer. So in the instructions manual, it'll show. This is my older filter that I had to replace. You can see that I have really bad water. This lasts me about, I'd say, 6 months. So every 6 months I need to replace. I would definitely say these are really nice. They do work. They get all the sediments in. And this is where the rubber comes in handy. It'll actually lock in there, so you'll get no leakage outside of these containers. These are really nice filters. They say to change these out every 3 to 6 months depending on your water. So mine was changed out every 6 months. And now that I have 3 of them, it'll actually last me a lot longer. If you don't have as harsh water as I do, you might get a little bit more time usage out of these. These are super great. It does take out all the sediment that's in your water. I would definitely recommend checking these ones out if you're looking for water filters.